Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn 20 English sentences for daily use. So without wasting of time, let's begin. How are you? आप कैसी हैं? How are you? As soon as possible. जितनी जल्दी हो सके. As soon as possible. What do you know? आप क्या जानती हैं? What do you know? You should know. तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए. You should know. Don't act cute. प्यारी हरकत ना करो. Don't act cute. What are you made of? तुम किस चीज़ से बने हो? What are you made of? Leave that to me. इसे मुझ पर छोड़ दो. Leave that to me. I had better go and see. बेहतर होगा मैं जाकर देखूं. I had better go and see. Don't be too hard on him. उस पर ज़्यादा सख्ती मत करो. Don't be too hard on him. It's beyond my power. ये मेरी ताकत से बाहर है. It's beyond my power. Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? I am from Islamabad. मैं इस्लामाबाद से हूँ. I am from Islamabad. We go to college together. हम इकट्ठे कॉलेज जाते हैं. We go to college together. You are a very good person. आप बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं. You are a very good person. He is poor but he is honest. वो गरीब है लेकिन ईमानदार है. He is poor but he is honest. Life is full of difficulties. ज़िंदगी मुश्किलात से भरी हुई है. Life is full of difficulties. Will you do one thing for me? क्या आप मेरे लिए एक काम करेंगे? Will you do one thing for me? I promise. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. Excuse me. माफ़ कीजिएगा. Excuse me. Let me see. मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. इसके साथ ही हमारी आज की वीडियो ख़त्म हुई. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफिज़.